Hey guys, it's Ashley from Bookaholics Anonymous, and this is another unboxing of the Uppercase box for August. So, the Uppercase box. As always, it comes with a little bookmark for the interactive reading. The first little gift is a notepad with some books and everything on it. Cute. And then it comes with the little letter from Lisa explaining why she kind of chose the book she did, and it has everything that came in the box. And then here's a little print from the book that actually came in the box. This is really cute. It's a necklace. If you can see. Oh, I have it turned the wrong way. My bad. It says Once Upon a Time. That's cute. And then on to the book that we got. It is P.S. I Like You by Casey West. And I haven't read it, so that's awesome. And also, as always, it's signed. Awesome. So that is what came in the Uppercase box for August. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below, and I will see you guys next month for another unboxing.